Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix our WordPress login page not opening and then show that page cannot be found in our WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So our front end working fine, but we try to log in or open page, then you see error that page cannot be found. So we are going to fix it. Now you see wp-login.php redirect. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. Now go to cpanel. So we are in cpanel and then you see we are in file manager and then you see plugins, themes. So you can rename plugin or theme folder like this. Right click, rename and then add name. So rename it and then click on rename file. Now you see rename done and then you see themes. Right click on it, rename. So we are going to change name and then click on rename file. Now change, go to page again, refresh the page. Still you see error. So this means plugin and folder has no issue. Back to cpanel. Now rename it again, back to original name, right click, rename, themes, rename, same with plugin. So it's mean no issue with plugin and theme folder. So we are going to do another step. Now back to main folder and then you see .htaccess file. So we are going to delete it or rename it, or if you want you can download it. So it's up to you. So we are going to rename it and then click on rename file, or if you want you can delete. Now you see rename done. Go to login page again and refresh the page. Now you see our login page working fine after rename or delete .htaccess file. So our issue with .htaccess file. So now we are going to log in it. So now we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see setting and then you see permalink. So click on it. So we are going to recreate or generate .htaccess file again. So we select post name and then click on save changes again. So after that our file .htaccess create auto. Now you see permalink structure updated. Now back to cpanel. So we are in cpanel and then reload file. Now you see new .htaccess file auto created. So our issue is fixed. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. So you can rename your theme or plugin folder and then check, or you can delete .htaccess file. So if you are facing issue to open login page, but mostly login page not accessed due to .htaccess file, so you can perform first this operation and delete .htaccess file or rename it and your issue will be fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.